काश हम सब का भी ट्रैवल बजट होता बुर्ज खलीफा जितना टॉल. Sadly, it's not. But don't worry. Here are 5 tips for you to make the best of your Dubai trip and have a ball. Alright, so here's the first tip. Download the Entertainer app. For whatever you want to do in Dubai, going out clubbing, fine dining, theme parks, hotels, or even shopping, you'll find an offer or discount on this app and help you make the best of your trip. So, download it, and before you take off, remember to put it in your favorites folder, right next to the Niyo Global app. So when I say Dubai, this is what you're probably thinking of. And that's great, but an average meal here costs around 100 to 120 dirhams. But here's something that you should know. Old Dubai. Because not only is this place great, it also has amazing authentic Arabic food for you to try. And the average meal here is around 40 to 45 dirhams. And the best part is, it can go even lower if you go to the street vendors. Trust me, that's where the best food is. Now Dubai has two vastly different zones. There's Deira and there's the Jumeirah Beach Residence. While Deira is a little bit on the outskirts near the airport, Jumeirah Beach Residence is right smack in the center of the city. If you don't mind living in a hostel, JBR can cost you anywhere between 1500 to 2500 per night. On the other hand, if you need your privacy and you're okay with a little bit of travel, a nice Airbnb in Deira should cost you around 2000 to 3500 per night. Alright, here's the second last tip. Get the weekly unlimited metro card. Instead of getting a single card and recharging it again and again and again, just get the weekly unlimited pass. It's cheaper, it's more convenient, and it's the best method of travel, especially if you only plan to use the metro throughout your travels. Alright, here's the final tip. It sounds obvious, but I have to tell you. Do not buy packaged drinking water anywhere. A 500 ml of water can cost you 5 dirhams. That's 100 rupees. Literally पैसों का पानी हो जाएगा. Just drink the tap water. Don't worry. It's safe and it's portable. Or better yet, just fill up all your bottles of water before you leave your hostel or hotel. इतना पैसा दे रहे हो, कुछ तो फायदा उठाओ. So that's it. In just 2 minutes, I've helped you save hours of research for your next Dubai trip. So I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bro, did you tell them about the Niyo Global card?
Right, do not forget to carry your Niyo Global card so you can save on every transaction with their zero forex markup and get complimentary lounge access across the world.